you click on this video, you're definitely an animal lover. This video features some funny and cute pets for you to enjoy. And remember, try not to laugh.
Wait a minute.
Do you want to go for a walk? You want to go outside? Do you want a treat?
Hey, Rockabot.
Good girl.
You're so cute.
You're so cute.
Get him, buddy, get him. Go get him. That's it.
Did you eat the charger? Kona? Murph?
Oh, come on, jump. Notice. Man down.
Minnie, you come here. You come here. Come here, Minnie. What do you got? You got your ball. Look at this.
She's like, man, what are you doing?
Kevin, did you do this? Kevin?
Drops. Did you do this? Did you?
Frankie, what is this? What? Frankie, come here. Frankie, come here.
It's our jumping spider.
The kickoff to Rocky. Go! Daisy. Daisy, did you chew up this book?
Oh no, he's gonna tackle you.
Did you do this? Ticks. Ticks.
Where'd that go out? I don't even see him.
Who did this? Was it you, Frodo?
It's all because she can't sit in Daddy's lap while I'm driving.
Are you ready to jump like Superman? Jump like Superman! Yay!
Grace, I found this peanut butter over here. How did that get there? Great.
pero Pep no es un caballo, cuidado. Go ahead, Dylan. Hike the football. Go ahead.
Who chewed Mom's sandal? Yeah, you did.
Girl! Hey! What you doing? What you do to you?
Oh my God!
Alright, go.
Touchdown!
He thinks that's helping him. He's got a tie on his back. What the heck? Buddy, did you eat the baseboard?
I can't even see it.
Get it.